How to compare two documents in Google Docs. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to compare two documents in Google Docs and quickly identify the differences between them. First, open one of the Google Docs documents you want to compare. Next, click Tools in the top menu and select Compare Documents. Under Choose Comparison Document, click My Drive and select the second Google Docs file you want to compare. You can also choose whether to attribute the differences to a specific user. Then, click Compare. Google Docs will create a new document showing the differences between the two files as suggested edits. The changes will be highlighted, making it easier to review additions, deletions, and formatting differences. You can then go through each suggestion and choose whether to accept or reject the changes. Once you're finished reviewing, you can rename or share the comparison document as needed. And that's how to compare two documents in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Google Docs tutorials.